So most of a nice job of getting that headliner all up in there, and what we're using is a material called Multi-Pile. It's a non-woven fiber. It's gray in color, and it's a seamless headliner, so there is no stitching at all in it. And it's a material that we roll out and then glue up in there with a 80/90 spray adhesive by 3M. We use several cans of that. Gluing it up to the top, as well as throwing the glue up on the top, as well as putting the glue up on the material too. So, but you can see it's a much more marked improvement in look compared to what it was before with the ratty old one, and then, you know, the actual glass. Just leaving it pure glass is not the way to go. So it's all up in there, all forming, all into the edges, all flowing, and it's good for sound deadening too. This is the reason why we use it. It really quiets down the overall experience of the Land Cruiser. So it's kind of it's a neat material. It's kind of a non-woven fiber, so you can pull on it. It's not going to go across. So if I pull a little piece of it off there it is. But other than that, it doesn't come off. It's a nice touch. So there it is, and looks nice.